Middle of the morning and I'm feeling something. Cause late last night you were feeling nothing. How could you be over me in a week when I'm still feeling so lonely? Found
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shilpa. I'm literally filming this intro while I'm wearing my socks to go out to get my vaccination today. Yes, I got a slot today. That is because of the place that I've started working in were giving vaccination to the employees, and yeah, so my dad had to drive me anyways. So my sister said I'd come along in case, some way we can get a dose in case somebody has missed a dose and there's a while left or something like that. But yeah, so my mom said, oh, why not even I can join in as well. So yeah, it's turning out to be a family road trip today. So yeah, I'm just wearing my shoes quickly because I'm too small.
my sweater that you took all the time still smells like you, like when you were mine. How could it be that I see memories in between all these worn out seams? Cause you're seeing someone else, and I heard he treats you well, but it still hurts like hell. Darling, tell me, do you think about me too? Does it hurt you in the way it hurts me too? Middle of the bed and I still feel cold. These vacant sheets don't feel like home, and I cry every night when I reach by my side. Cause you're not there and I forget that you're seeing someone else.
My Almira is in a huge mess, so I'm just trying to clean things up. Matlab pura I really want to do, but I don't have much time because we have to move today. But yeah, I'm just gonna clean few things, arrange them so that I can find them when I'm looking for. So
It hurts me too. When you're closing your eyes, do you see all the signs that you're broken? When you're out every night, do you think that you're fine? Are you broken? Ooh. Do you think of me? Do you think of me? Do you think of me too? Do you think of me, baby? Do you think of me, baby? Do you think of me? Do you think of me too? Darling, tell me, do
So I'm done with showering. I was planning to wear this t-shirt, but इसमें थोड़ी गंदगी है यहाँ. So I'll have to take the risk of my life and wear to a very risky shirt. I love this t-shirt. I just bought it. मैंने तो पहना भी नहीं अभी तक. And I think ऐसे लग सकता है ना वैक्सीन. हाँ लग ही सकता है. So it's fine. I'll keep it like this until they put the band-aid and I see no sign of blood. And I think it's going to be alright. Let's fix this situation.
오랜만이야 10년이면 강산도 변한다던데 넌 말이야 얼마나 많이
Missy, yo Missy, कहाँ जा रही हैं आप?
없던 멜로드라마 주인공 같이 꽃길에 나란히 걸었지 노을이지는 언덕 위에
This one is an impressionable woman.
내 손을 잡고 올라타 You're my time machine 널 보니 그대로 돌아가게 돼 주위 둘러보네 우린 참 잘 어울렸어 거짓말 같게는 흔히 날 go back 우리 미래 속에 잊혀진 go back 4K로 펼쳐지는 추억의 시간 여행 You're my time machine girl You're my time machine
Before the appointment, I have few things like documents to just collate together so that I don't end up like not getting vaccinated today. So yeah, and I have to back up a little bit from the vlog camera because मैंने backup नहीं किया in the recent past from the card, so I just need to do that so there's enough space. And yeah, I'm just gonna do that.
Back to where we started Do you wanna go back to when we 공상과학 영화 같아 Your body moves in slow-mo 검은 머리
So this is the wallpaper that I recently made. If you'd like to know the tutorial, you can check it out in one of my videos. I'm going to link it right here. If you want to download it, you can check the description of this video that I've linked here, and you can download it for free from the Google Drive. So basically my vaccination appointment was at 3 o'clock, which I checked just now, and it's around 1:30, 1:40, and I got it at 3:30, and it takes almost an hour for us to reach, so we are cutting it short. So let's go. 방울방울 다시 돌아와 사랑은 기차 타고 멀리 떠나야 방울방울 다시 돌아와 You're a time machine
অফ কর আচ্ছা
Got vaccinated.
You're my time machine You're my time machine
Hey, so it's later in the day today. I'm still feeling fine, but yeah, let's see how the night goes. I received these cute little goodies from Pilgrim, and they have the retinol under eye cream and the retinol night cream, which I'm gonna try today. So let's see how it feels. The packaging is kind of great, like I like the packaging always, and they have this nice cute spatula which I'm really excited about. This is basically Pilgrim's Secret of Jeju Island, which is Korean. So this is basically like inspired by Korean skincare. Okay, this is the under eye cream, this is the night cream, and let's try this out. The night cream has vitamin C, which reduces wrinkles and fine lines, hyaluronic acid, which enhances firmness and elasticity. Oh, the skin, it smells so good. So it's cruelty free, 100% vegan, and no paraben, no sulfate, which is regular viewers would know how much I appreciate products which do not have paraben and sulfate in it, and it is 20 toxin free and FDA approved. The Pilgrim's Retinol Night Cream has retinol, which is an active ingredient to accelerate the skin renewal process and enhance collagen production, which basically fades age spot and smooths uneven texture and minimizes the look of the pores. It smells really nice, I must say. I'm just gonna put on my lip balm because after face cream I can't stop myself. Now let's move to the under eye cream. This looks great. I'm just gonna put a little bit under my eye and over my eyelids and massage it out with my hands. The retinol is basically the important ingredient here because it thickens the skin surrounding the eye and erases and prevents fine lines, which actually helps make your under eye look much better. I'm going to check it tomorrow how it feels, but I like the fact that it's non-sticky and it absorbs in my skin really well, and it has a cooling effect, which is great. I'm going to leave the link down below in case you want to make a purchase or buy it. You can check it out. Hey, so just wanted to come in before I finish this video is just to let you all know what was the post effect of vaccinations first dose for me. So my sister and I both got vaccinated. I got fever, like mereko around 1.5 day situation. I had like a fever, more than fever. I had like body pain, and I could not sit straight. Like my body did not have that energy, but as soon as one day got over, I was refreshed and as such कोई problem नहीं हुआ, which was sort of expected. But at the same time, my sister did not, get any bukhar or any fever of any sort. So you can see that it differs from people to people, and yeah, that's about it. Like when my parents got the vaccination, at that time also my father had fever, but my mother did not have fever for a few days, and later she got fever. So it's so different, but at the same time it was expected. So I had a PCM when I got fever, so it was completely under control. I do a little bit excessive drama, that's different. I hope you like this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment below if you like this informational a day in my life situation, and I'll make more of these. And if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. It'll make my day. And until the next video, bye.
오랜만이야 10년이면 강산도 변한다던데 넌 말이야 얼마나 많이 변했을까